Hi Natasha, hi John, two of the biggest baking channels on YouTube, and that's me, tiny guy, but with this. And today I'm putting the best carrot cake head to head, and let me tell you, it's not even close. Same cake, so much different, and the taste surprised me. I'll judge them based on texture, moistness, flavor, appearance, and ease of making. And honestly, the results are wild. Let's break it down, starting with how they actually make it. Just right away, both show us their differences. Natasha drapes her carrots fine, John goes coarse. This can affect the texture and moistness. It's interesting to see how it turns out. Now mixing, both keep it simple, wet, dry separately, then combined. No mixer, but John's batter is thick, like arm workout thick, so a mixer may be needed. But if your mixer is broken, congrats, you found a late day. Natasha's batter is much thinner, easier to mix. That's because she used less flour and adds applesauce that thins it out. Now this is where things get interesting. John usually leans more on bakery style with higher sugar and fat to flour ratio. Natasha is a little more balanced between bakery and home style. Her cake has higher percentage of carrots and with the additional applesauce. Two distinct approaches on how to make the cake moister. Soon we'll find out which one more superior. Now the flavor difference is interesting. John used classic combination of cinnamon and nutmeg, while Natasha skips vanilla extract entirely but adds more spices with the addition of cloves and allspice. Now allspice has its name because its complex flavors resembling all three.
Who are you?
I am all of you.
Wow!
Natasha doubled down on these. I'm excited. And thankfully, no raisins. I like raisins, just not here. Plus, dried fruit will absorb liquid and make the cake dry out faster. The leavening is also flipped. John has more baking powder, Natasha has more baking soda. That affects rise, crumb, and tenderness. We'll see that in the final cake. Moving on to frosting. Both use cream cheese frosting, perfect. But Natasha adds more vanilla and with salt. That usually means better flavor balance and tastier. But frosting doesn't matter alone, it has to work with the cake, right? Alright, bye John, bye Natasha, thanks so much. Hey, I'm back. Let's finish and judge this cake, shall we? I asked for just one layer each so that no cake will be wasted because I can stack them like this. Voila! First appearance, Natasha cake is darker, more brown sugar, more spices. John's is flatter and more even. That's because his thicker, more sugar batter sets faster on the sides that help the unset batter climb higher on the pan's wall. The shredded carrot in John's cake is more visible. That's clearly streaming carrot cake, and his cake crumbs are tighter and more uniform. Natasha is taller in the middle and with more open crumbs. Anyway, John scored higher on appearance. John's cake. Natasha's. I had too big of a bite. Anyhow, Natasha's cake is more tender, so the smaller, finer shredded carrot really helps giving this texture, and the higher leavening power also plays a role here. Now traditionally, we use finely shredded carrots, so I'm really unsure why John chose to go coarse. Maybe that's better on the camera, but it's just my guess. Anyway, Natasha's cake is also very noticeably more moist. So moist. So now we know which approach is the winner for moister carrot cake. Finally, the flavor. And it's not even close. John's carries the classic flavor of carrot cake, but Natasha's is beyond that. It's a hybrid of carrot cake and spice cake, which is deeper, warmer, aromatically sweeter with more complex flavor. And with frosting together, Natasha wins again! So what the final points? Dun, 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 dun. There we have it! Congratulations, Natasha! Her cake is almost perfect, you don't need to change a thing. But if you care more about appearance, John's cake is the winner. Now the real question is, can I make Natasha cake even better? Anyway, let me know what battle I should do next. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe and help out my small channel with symbol like, comment and share of this video. Thanks so much friends. Bye bye.